It's your girl Sade from the T-Dot providing you with the tea. Justine decides to come through with a message letting fans know that she is okay and she will get through it. I want to thank everyone for their continued encouragement through this ordeal. I am so blessed to have an incredible support system, including so many of you. With that being said, I will share my heart when the time is right for me, after I have had a chance to process everything. I also think many times we forget a real human is on the other end of these situations, so I would like for us to all be mindful of that. In the meantime, I will be making every effort to move on and move forward. Aside from all of this, I'm excited about the future and forever grateful to have you all as part of it.
I'm glad that the events that have transpired over the past couple of days did not deter Justine from being optimistic about the future.
Justine, you are a queen and will always be a queen. To comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Our channel is about perspective, knowledge, and understanding.